Alright, Five Below, you guys. 1,000 bricks in here. You get the brick tool included. Every time I hear brick, I think of the middle. Oh, look how big. Oh my gosh. This one's 20. The big stitchy one. SpongeBob. What is this one? Oh, bracelet charms. Flower groove van. Honeybee acres. Reminds me of like Calico Critters, that little thing. Grow a garden. Can I see that one? Grow a garden. Collect plush. Looks like a Minecraft type of vibe. And dream spouts. Okay, I see that all the time. It looks like a few new dog toys are in. We have some Bunny, Stitch, Peeps, water guns. Hey, these are $1. These break really easily, but I feel like if you're doing something in the park, it comes in handy because it's going to break anyway, you know. What else is in here? Save the ocean. Stop dropping trash into the splash. It's kind of funny, actually. What does this one say? Cherry soda. Okay, looks like they're bringing out in the summer. We have rock candy. They got pink cherry and blue raspberry. Okay, these are new. These are cute. Well, we have Jessie. Oh, this one down here is like really, really cute. Look at the Jessie. Then you have Bullseye too. And more Jessie. Toy Story stuff. Getting ready for the movie. I'm not too sure if these are 7 or 8 or what, but here's the back of it. They also have a tote. Hey cowgirl. Hey cowgirl. Crocs. These are 7, or you know, the fake Crocs here. Winnie the Pooh. A lot of people are buying this up. This lady just filled up her cart with Winnie the Pooh. She bought tons of the Winnie the Pooh crochets. This one's cute. Wow, $4. The prices are changing here in Five Below. The water bottle. And that backpack. Okay. More Stitch. Bluey Bubbles. All chalk right here. The spa headbands. You have Smarty, Jolly Ranchers, Fluffy, like cotton candy. These are all hand sanitizers. I wonder how well they smell though. I mean, it really smells like generic, like just too fakeness. But hey, if you love it, you love it. And don't forget your bubbles, you guys. All the fun bubbles. Oh, look at that one. The puzzle chalk that looks like a banana split. Let me show you this one.
It's too bad they don't stick together. It'd be cool to hold it by this and draw with all.
Oh
three
yeah,
at the
like
same
a
time.
holder. Yeah. They have paint chalk. This one's only 5. Do a little painting. That could be a good one for the backyard. Oh, look at his face. So stinking cute. These are cute. Those are cute. Pizza truck garden. That's funny. Those are cute too. And I like the strawberry one. And Easter micro machines, or whatever you want to use them for. Squish Mallow Mystery Squad. Toy Story. Metallic waterproof gel crayons. Oh, those are going to be new for me. They're twisty too. Washable scented. Sweet Dreams. And they are scented as well. Here's a dragon. They're calling it Dragon Magic. Confetti crowns. We used to make those in school. Just like chip up a bunch of crayons and get a little mold. I'm not too sure what this is. Bling it. Oh, you bling it yourself. Okay, DIY. Crystal Creations. Bugler wall charger. That's funny. Haven't seen these. Oh, they even have a phone case. Greedy Grinner. Oh my gosh. Charge and sync 3 devices in one. Okay, the little micro one. And they also have the earbuds for you. These are 5. They're micro teenies. A lot of plushies. Care Bears, Toy Story, Dobby, Harry Potter. What are these airheads? Very Berry. These are 10 Monopoly. And we have Manhattan Beach Edition. Okay, I've seen this in Ross. Again, no freaking clue what it is. Oh look, a light up glow one. What? You could take that to your concert if they let you in. They should let you into a concert or a festival. But $5. We have more Goofy. Looks like Piglet and Mickey down there. The squishy ones. Italian brain rot. Oh my gosh, this, I'm surprised these are not sold out. That is so funny. I feel like I should buy all these. Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah. These are here. And the butts. The mystery butts. Butts on things. Oh my gosh, they have regular show. Sorry, I got all excited of regular show. We used to watch this show all the time. Well, my kids did. I liked it. Oh my god. My mom. He's always him and his mom. They got a thing. Yeah. These are just squishy. I feel like these are the only squishies they have here. All the squishies are gone. This little thingy. They do have squishy beads. Snap tongue. Oh my gosh. Everyone's calling for squishies. They're all on the phone all the time. They're like, there is no more. Which is kind of funny that squishy hunting is now a thing. Remember, it used to be huge back in the day on YouTube? Come on, my daughter used to make those videos. Man, we just need 2 good viral videos. Then her college would be set. Oh well. It's a funky monkey one. Okay, for more outdoor play, they have a water table. No idea on the price of this one. I don't see a price. Maybe 15. The easel, the projector screen is actually $25. $30 if you want this duck party pool. Look, so it fits the full fam. Use the pool. How funny is that, right? Pool noodles are $25. Okay, go to Costco or Sam's. That's cheaper, you guys. Trust me. What do we have? These are the satin pillow neck, a little rug action. I believe these are washable. Yeah, I got blue. I don't see any pink though. $35 for the chair. Doggy beds are $15. Haven't seen anything like too new in Five Below, but they're gonna put out all this summer. $5 light up bean bag. 15 down here. 20 at the bottom. Stuff for your baby. And towels. USA bear towel. It is pretty thin. They are really thin. They have sardine, soda, flamingos. Is that like a phone umbrella? Hey, my phone heats up. I should walk around with my phone umbrella. Acrylic stand. Okay. That's kind of funny. Pimple patches. This is like a lip mask. More Toy Story over here. Hey there, y'all. The ice cream cone. Lip smacker. Jelly. This is really cute because it comes with a little bag. How cute is that? Did you guys know they have taffy? I did taffy. Sour taffy with confetti bites. This is new for me. These are 50 cents. And Zaps. Shocking sour candy. Okay, that's new. Strawberry PB and J. Ooh. Okay, this duck looks mad. Oh, he looked mad from far away. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Five Below. But again, if you're doing last minute Easter stuff, come here. And be careful on your Swedish candy. They're not all that great. These are good though. They can never go wrong with that. Please stay safe. Give this video a thumbs up for me. It does help my channel. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, here's the floaties. Oh, look at the wood stock. That's kind of funny.